Greetings and welcome aboard our cosmic journey. Today we voyage into the depths of the cosmos where the asteroid Bennu, a celestial drifter, holds a potential threat to our Earth. Our mission? To avert its impact. We'll delve into the exciting realm of technological marvels and the awe-inspiring mysteries that space holds. It's a race against time and cosmic forces, a story of human ingenuity and resilience. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating expedition to explore the unknown. In the vast expanse of our cosmos, Bennu is a celestial nomad that has captured our attention. Among the innumerable celestial bodies that inhabit the cosmos, Bennu stands out not just for its size or composition, but for the potential threat it poses to our very existence. Bennu, discovered on the 23rd of September in the year 2009, is a near-Earth asteroid. Now, when we say near in astronomical terms, we're talking about a casual 63 million miles away. Not exactly a stone's throw distance, is it? This celestial nomad is named after the ancient Egyptian deity who symbolized creation and rebirth, a fitting name for an object that could potentially wreak havoc on Earth. This asteroid, roughly 500 meters in diameter, is similar in size to the Empire State Building. It's composed primarily of carbonaceous material, a relic from the early solar system. This makes Bennu a fascinating subject of study, providing us with a window into the past, into the very origins of our solar system. But what makes Bennu particularly interesting to us is not just its historical significance. Bennu is classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid. Now, before you start imagining scenes from a sci-fi disaster movie, let me clarify. The odds of Bennu impacting Earth are about 1 in 2,700. Not high, but not zero either. The potential impact date, well, mark your calendars for the late 22nd century, but let's hope it doesn't come to that. And here's a fun fact to pique your interest even further. Bennu is one of the darkest objects in our solar system. It absorbs about 96% of the light that hits it. Imagine that, a dark, brooding celestial nomad wandering the cosmic highways, a potential threat to our existence. With this looming threat, scientists have launched an ambitious mission to avert Bennu's impact. A race against the asteroid, if you will, but that's a tale for the next chapter of our cosmic journey. Stay tuned. In an unprecedented effort, space agencies worldwide have joined forces to avert the potential catastrophe. The objective of this daring mission is clear and unambiguous: to alter the trajectory of the asteroid Bennu, a celestial body with a diameter of over 500 meters, currently hurtling through the vast expanse of space on a collision course with our beloved Earth. This is no small feat. It's a race against time and the unknown. The mission's success hinges on a spacecraft named DART, short for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. This spacecraft, a marvel of human ingenuity, is tasked with the Herculean job of nudging Bennu off its deadly path. The technology used is groundbreaking, a testament to the leaps and bounds we've made in our understanding of the universe. DART is equipped with a kinetic impactor, essentially a high-speed battering ram designed to collide with Bennu at over 6 kilometers per second. Imagine a car driving at full speed, only multiplied by 1,000. The impact, though seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of the universe, should be enough to alter Bennu's path by a critical few centimeters per second. Over the vast distances of space, this small change could mean the difference between a near miss and a catastrophic impact. The timeline for the mission is tight. The DART spacecraft launched in late 2023, and the collision with Bennu is scheduled for September 2024. That leaves less than a year for the spacecraft to reach the asteroid, a journey of millions of kilometers through the cold, unforgiving vacuum of space. Despite the meticulous planning, the mission is fraught with challenges. The scientists must account for a multitude of factors, from the precise calculation of Bennu's trajectory to the unpredictable nature of the asteroid's surface. Any miscalculation, however slight, could mean the difference between success and failure. And then there's the challenge of communication. With the vast distances involved, it takes over 16 minutes for signals to travel from Earth to the spacecraft and back, leaving no room for real-time adjustments. But despite these challenges, the scientists press on, driven by a shared sense of urgency and a common goal. It's a testament to the power of human collaboration, the ability to come together in the face of a common threat. As the mission progresses, the world watches with bated breath. While our scientists race against time, it's worth pondering. What if we fail? As we delve into this thought, it's important to understand the potential impact of Bennu on Earth, its implications for life and the aftermath. Bennu, a celestial nomad, is an asteroid with a diameter of approximately 500 meters. If it were to collide with Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to about 2,300 megatons of explosive force. That's over 150 times the energy released by the most powerful nuclear bomb ever detonated. Imagine, if you will, a fireball illuminating the sky, followed by a shockwave that flattens everything in its path. Cities would crumble, forests would be set ablaze, and the sky would be filled with dust, blocking sunlight and triggering a nuclear winter. This could lead to a mass extinction event similar to what wiped out the dinosaurs 65 million years ago. The aftermath would be a world drastically different from what we know. The Earth's climate would change, and ecosystems would have to adapt or perish. The human race, if it survives, would face immense challenges. Yet this apocalyptic scenario underscores the importance of missions like the one against Bennu. Such missions are not just about preventing disaster. They are about understanding our universe better. They are about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and technological capabilities. It's also about detecting potential threats early. Remember, Bennu is just one of millions of asteroids whizzing around in our solar system. The more we explore space, the better our chances of spotting these celestial nomads before they pose a threat. So, while the thought of failure might be daunting, it's also a reminder of why we must continue to strive, explore, and innovate. The mission to avert Bennu's impact is not just about survival, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we conclude our journey today, remember, this is just the beginning. We've traversed the vast cosmos together, from the enigmatic corners of our galaxy to the celestial nomad, Bennu. We've raced against time, technology, and space itself, all in an attempt to avert a potential catastrophe. Yet, in the grand scheme of things, this is merely a single lap in the cosmic marathon that humanity is destined to run. Bennu, the celestial wanderer, has served as a reminder of our place in the universe. It's not just a silent spectator in our cosmic neighborhood, but a ticking time bomb, emphasizing our need to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. The race against Bennu isn't just about averting disaster, it's about our continual quest for understanding, about safeguarding our future through the power of science and technology. And what if we fail? Well, the stakes are high, but so too is our resolve. Failure isn't an endpoint, but a stepping stone towards success. It's a teacher, a guide, a challenge daring us to rise above and reach for the stars. Our potential for failure only underscores the importance of our mission. It's a testament to our resilience, our courage, and our unyielding curiosity. But this cosmic journey isn't just for the scientists, the astronauts, or the technologists. It's a journey for all of us. Each one of us has a part to play in supporting these endeavors, whether it's through learning, sharing knowledge, advocating for space exploration, or simply nurturing a sense of wonder about the universe we inhabit. So as we end today's journey, let's carry these insights with us. Let's continue to fuel our curiosity, champion our scientists, and marvel at the mysteries of the cosmos. Remember, every end is but a new beginning in the grand cosmic narrative. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more cosmic journeys, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay curious, stay inspired, and as always, keep looking up.